Hey everyone, my name is Dave Kettner, and I'm excited to bring you this video here today. It's actually going to be a series of videos. I'm going to tell you all about my 2021 business case study. It's going to absolutely blow you out of the water because this is my proven process that I have been using to achieve six figures net profit per year, and that you could follow along and learn how to do this yourself. So again, my name is Dave Kettner. I'm going to dive right into this. I'm super excited, like I said, to share all this information with you here today. So for those of you guys who don't know who I am, let me tell you a little bit about myself. Again, my name is Dave Kettner. I've been an internet marketer since 1998. I've been doing this for a long time. I'm actually a retired teacher. I've been working from home since May of 2009. I've actually started making more money online than I was doing in my full-time teaching job, and so then I finally was able to pull away. So as you can see, it took a few years to get to that point, and before I was able to quit my job, retire, and just work from home full time. But since then, I've created several multi-million-dollar businesses, and I'm going to show you how you can make this happen a lot quicker for you and wherever you may be at this particular time. Now, I have been an Amazon private label seller since 2013. I've been generating millions online every single year, and the thing that I actually really enjoy most is I've been teaching thousands of students how to do the exact same thing that I've been doing, both on Amazon and now with other things that I'm going to be showing you in this video here today. So first, I'm going to show you my numbers. I'm going to show you actually what I was able to do in 2021. Now, this is a screenshot, as you can see, from January 1st to December 31st, 2021. And if you can see right there, I generated over $2.7 million in sales. Now, this is all from Amazon. I'm going to focus on Amazon right now. This is where we brought the most amount of our money in. But that's great. I always say, you know, it's good with the revenue and everything, but what have you brought into your bank account? What has been your bottom line? What's your net profit? Well, if you look over there at the bottom right, my net profit was $427,224.54 net profit from our Amazon business in 2021. Absolutely blows you away, right? But I'm going to show you how I got to this and how you can follow along as well. But first, I want to show you what you can do just in 1 month. This is our December numbers from 2021 to December 1st through December 31st. You'll see that we did $440,000+ in sales and over 105, almost 106,000 net profit to our bank account. All right, net profit. All right, I want you to focus in on that, how important that is. Again, I'm going to show you how you can do this and how I generated a brand new income stream and how you're going to be able to learn how to do it as well. So let me tell you a little bit about my Amazon dilemma. As I said, I started in 2013 on Amazon. I was doing the FBA model. For those of you guys know what it is, it's fulfilled by Amazon. And a lot of times these days, people, it gets a bad rap because people are like, hey, it doesn't work, or maybe it costs too much money. Well, here's the thing. I have been teaching people how to do exactly what I've been able to do, and it was hard for me to teach somebody to start brand new because here's the thing. With FBA business, there are many startup costs, right? So a lot of times we're building inventory into Amazon first. That could be $1,000 to $2,000 just to start building your inventory. Then we have the marketing, which is the ad that we spend to get something rolling on Amazon. And then there's a thing called launching expenses, where we can actually spend thousands of dollars trying to get something traction in Amazon. We do that way a lot of times with product giveaways. So that was very difficult for a lot of people to do. On top of that, over the years, it's become more competitive over and over again, much more competitive, and it's really hard. It's shark-infested waters, as I always say. It's very hard to find winners, the things that are going to work out there, and Amazon continues to increase their fees. They're growing, and so Amazon charges us more. And, but the thing is that Amazon is where over 50% of the sales are happening in the United States, right? So it is a huge place to make money, right? So I wanted to find how I could teach students to find success on Amazon without having to pay the upfront cost and to more easily find products to succeed with. So that was my Amazon dilemma, but I solved this now a couple of years ago, and this is great news for you because as my students, I can show you exactly how to start without having to worry about all these different things, right? So I've came up with the proven plan, and this is what I'm going to be teaching you in this model, in this series I'm going to be doing here, a few videos, and this is my exact proven model to success. All right, this is where we're going to be starting on Etsy. I'm going to have you start on Etsy which is a selling platform just like Amazon, but it's much smaller. And then we're going to move that over to Amazon and beyond. So the model here, I'm going to go over it, just kind of the 10,000 foot view, and then I'm going to get more specific in future videos and show you exactly what these are, how to do it, how to take advantage of it. So the first part is going to be to research, design, and sell on Etsy. We're going to be using a model called POD, and that stands for print on demand. Don't worry, I'm going to tell you what that is here more in a second, what that actually is. The second step is we're going to find these proven winning designs from your sales, and then we're going to expand these into other products, and then we can add personalization as well, which just gives an added element to people buying your products. Step 3, we can further then expand our winning designs to Amazon POD, and that's where we're opening up an Amazon seller's account, but we're not selling inventory yet. We're just selling POD, which is print on demand. Again, I'll tell you more about that. We use personalized items options on there to show people they can buy products that they personalize with their own information. Again, I'll cover that in a future video. And then step 4 is to expand our proven winners to Amazon FBA, which is our private label selling, which I've been doing successfully since 2013 now. This is where the big money is being made. And when I showed you that $2.7 million figure, that's where I achieved it. So I'm not adding in there what we made on Amazon, on Etsy, but this is what we want to get you to. And then step 5 is to continue to expand to other platforms, marketplaces, and other countries as you desire to do. So we can expand. We have a lot of things that we can do. Sky is really the limit with this business model. All right, so from there, I want to go into showing you the case study. We're telling you a little bit about the case study, the numbers that we achieved, and how we did this, and how you're going to be able to do it too. So in 2021, I actually launched over 40 brand new mugs. And these mugs were things that we had gotten from our Etsy model from step 1, and we started expanding on them. But then to get to that step 4, right, again, I'm trying to show you the big picture here of having them in FBA. In 2021, I launched 40 to FBA Amazon. Now, 30 of those were clear winners over the time. 5 were still growing at the end of 2021 because we launched them later in the year. 7 designs we decided, hey, we're going to just continue after they sell out because they weren't making as much money as we expected. So we'd rather put money into things that are working better. So we just continue. But here's the big thing. Of the 30 winners that we already determined, 29,132 mugs were sold. All right? That's great. Again, what does it mean for sales and profit, right? Well, we did over $514,000 in sales revenue of these new mugs. All right, and from that, the net bottom line, we did $123,756.80 in pure net profit, and that's after all costs. All right, again, this is all things that we launched in 2021, and that's what I'm going to really blow you away with this case study, how we did it, how you can do it, and it doesn't matter if you're launching a brand new business or you're an experienced veteran. I'm going to show you how you can take advantage of this and really be able to dive right in and be able to just, wherever you are. You could be a brand new seller, you could be a brand new someone just wanting to sell, don't know even know what to do, or you can be an experienced veteran. Again, I've been doing this for many years. This is a brand new thing that I launched, and I'm able to show students how to do that and take full advantage of it. So that's what I want to show you in this case study, and I'm going to show you here over multiple videos of how you can achieve it as well. I do have to share this earnings disclaimer because with anything, I got to make sure that I show you that you are in control of your own destiny, right? I can only provide you with my tools and training. I can show you what is possible with this business, but ultimately you control your own success. I can't guarantee that you're going to achieve the same success that I have, all right? But I'm going to show you the knowledge and different things that you can have the ability to take action on that. And like any business, it takes time and dedication to succeed. But unlike most new business models, the startup costs that I'm going to be teaching you here are very affordable for almost anybody, okay? And I'm going to show you how we're going to make this happen and how affordable it really is for you to start this business. All right, so I want to show you exactly how I did it. And in order to do that, I'm going to get you to my next video. So video number 2, the second part of this series here, I'm going to be releasing really soon. This is going to be setting the foundation of what this business model is and how you do it. So in the next video I'm going to be having coming out here is going to be talking about how to use Etsy to launch mugs for sale. and for basically almost no money out of pocket, all right, and how the start costs are so very minimal. I'm going to show you how and understand what the POD model is, print on demand, and how you can use this to sell on Etsy, having to buy no inventory up front, or even ship orders yourself, or even communicate with the customers, tracking numbers and all that. We have a way to automate the whole process. I'm going to show you how to expand to other products once you have winners with a simple touch of a button, and then find the proven winner designs while making money at the same time to actually then expand to get to this part where we made the big money on Amazon. All right, so to get to that, I want you to make sure that you are subscribing to my channel. So go ahead and make sure you subscribe, and there's a notification button, a little bell. Make sure you hit that bell, because that's going to tell you when my videos release, and then you're going to be able to know exactly hey, the video's out there. I want to actually follow this process that Dave's talking about here, so I can do it too. And then please like this video, comment below, share the things that you were looking forward to that I'm going to be teaching here. Share what you see about, so what I've already talked about, some of these numbers that I did in 2021, and what you're excited about as well. So I look forward to hearing your comments and getting back to you now in the second video where I'm going to be showing you all this. So I look forward to launching that to you and telling you more about this, because I want you to achieve the same kind of success that I have, and I know you can do that. So follow along. I look forward to catching you in the next video. Until then, take care.